This is our LG dishwasher, and it's about a year old, but there's a real problem with these wheels. They fall off fairly easily, and we have them running all over the kitchen and thinking, where do these little wheels come from? Well, we figured it out. It came from the dishwasher. And we're going to repair it with this zip tie. It from the factory goes on very easily, and you can put it on very easily by just pushing it on. And I'll show you how to do this in a minute. But we're going to put it on with a zip tie. We're going to put it to the top like this. And you notice it's nice and tight. It goes right against the side very well. So we're going to pull all the way down like that. And we're going to put it up to the other side. Right there. And we can put it in quite a bit, like that. We can go through that to tie it together to the rack. And okay, these are rather expensive wheels. I have to put, you can't believe how much they are. I still don't quite believe how expensive they are. And make sure you got the right wheel, because there's these wheels are common with many dishwashers. You can check with Amazon or wherever you want to go to get the correct wheel. Okay, there it is. It's real easy to do that. You can see that baby's really solid. You don't have to worry about it. That's going to last practically forever. Okay, there's two versions of wheels. Now we lost 3 wheels, so we're going to leave some. This is the original one. I put a tie on with this thing. If you want that, if you want the original one, I'll put a link below. It's $10.95 a piece. I don't really want to spend that much money, so I bought this from Amazon. This is the B version. I'm not going to leave it that way. I'm going to put a zip tie on that also, like that. If you tie it on, it'll stay on very well. If you just snap it on, it's going to come off. And you'll be chasing around the kitchen with these wheels falling off. So let's put a zip tie on, and it'll make your life so much easier. I hope this is useful, and I hope you'll subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the future.